Something massive is happening in the US stock market right now, but most investors are missing it completely. It is not about a new app, not about crypto, and not even about another social media bubble. Yet, this single shift is quietly moving billions of dollars and creating the foundation for the next decade of growth. Over the last few months, the biggest American companies have been racing to secure land, energy, and hardware. Data centers construction is skyrocketing, power demand is exploding. Entire states are struggling to keep up with the electricity requirements of one single trend. Investors who recognize what's driving this will be way ahead of the crowd. So, what's behind it? It's not just AI, it's the infrastructure behind AI. Think about it. Every time a chatbot gives you an answer or an image generator creates art, it runs on thousands of chips inside massive data centers. Those centers need power, cooling systems, fiber networks, and semiconductor supply chains. That's where the real money is flowing into the companies behind the backbone of artificial intelligence. Here is the smart view. Instead of chasing overvalued AI giants, look at the industries feeding them: chip equipment makers, utility providers, and construction firms tied to data expansion. These are the quiet winners of the AI revolution because while everyone's staring at the screen, the biggest profits are being built behind it. Thank you.